दिल्ली सर्टिफिकेट दिवपाक मागीर बायोगॅस कॉन्फरन्स आहलें आयज आनी आय एम वर्किंग इन द फील्ड ऑफ वेस्ट टू एनर्जी वेस्ट टू मीन्स बायो टॉयलेट waste management, remediation and e-waste. So Sidbi, they have organized with help of urban development, MOVA and ZIL, German council. They have invited me for giving this certification to in presence of Honorable Minister Hardeep Puri ji, Urban Development Minister and Petroleum Minister. So it is a privilege for entire Goa, and my company is the first one who take this facility from German company and German government and Union Minister of Urban Development. आमी तांकां कितें सजेस्ट केलां ई-वेस्टान कितें करपाक जाय, इवन SBM2 कसो प्रमोट करपाक जाय तो तेंच्यांनी आयज म्हजे मागणें आयकून घेतले आनी दे वील इम्प्लिमेंट इन कमींग डेज इन एंटायर इंडिया. दीस इज माय सजेशन दे हॅव रेज ऑन द प्लॅटफॉर्म ऑफ दीस कॉन्फरन्स.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.